Presently, people and communities are facing various health crises, including the top 10 health killers. World statistics shows that 54% of the population is facing deadly consequences from these diseases. The reason why people are suffering from chronic diseases is because diseases are becoming harder to be treated with radical treatment, and it can only be alleviated or controlled with medication. People starts to pay attention to eating habits, daily exercise, and consume various health products when they face such diseases. Most of the time it's already too late, especially in environments that are unhealthy and polluted. When patients are suffering from these diseases, it inflicts tremendous stress, pain, and sufferings on their families or siblings, saying therefore, we must search for the best alternative solutions to resume to normal and healthy life. All efforts should be focused on the most basic issue of a human body: cells. The core cause of most diseases is linked to cell deficiencies. Collapse of body function is caused by a weak immune system, clogged blood vessels, damaged and mutated cells, and etc. All of these are the root of serious diseases. Presenting Global Genesis Terahertz device, a product of the new era in health, wellness. The Global Genesis Terahertz wave frequency that is found between far infrared and microwave, with a wavelength between 30 and 3000 microns, which is the same wavelength absorbed by human cells. When cells are irradiated by terahertz frequency, it rapidly enhanced energy into the human and activate inert cells. Its radiant energy is only 1/4 of sunlight and 1,000th of a mobile phone frequency. Research shows that it is completely safe for the human body absorption. The penetration of the terahertz frequency is able to reach 20 to 30 centimeters under the skin, internal organs, and bone marrow, constantly unclogging and cleansing the blood vessels and lymph in the body. Thus simultaneously improved microcirculation reduces coldness, reducing tumor skin, nourishment, repair unhealthy damaged tissues, remove necrosis, healing of internal organs, and further strengthening the cells. The principal treatment of Iraq here is to unclog capillaries to enhance the body and cells, and other authoritative organizations related to the device. Global Genesis Terahertz Therapy device intelligently identify healthy and bad cells. Good cells will pass through the device's consistent frequency and temperature, and bad cells will be liquefied by the heat, which will be expelled from the body through sweat, urinary, and defecation, with preventative and protective functions against human diseases. Global Genesis Terahertz Therapy device is a very effective treatment for 3 major sub-health problems: inflammations, skin disorders, and clogging. The 10 major advantages of Global Genesis Terahertz Therapy device: Number 1, the 8 extraordinary vessels of the body. Number 2, pass through the 12 main channels of the body. Number 3, scrape the toxic and harmful substances from the body. Number 4, remove superfluous things that are not part of the body. Number 5, find potential diseases using a scanning function. Number 6, unclog channels and spaces in the body. Number 7, detoxification. Number 8, regulate internal organs and immunity system. Number 9, replenish the body with yang aura energy. Number 10, repair damaged cells and tissues. Global Genesis Terahertz Therapy device management team that is focused and committed to promote and educate terahertz technology therapy worldwide. Private, international, has an impressive development foundation and a 10-year comprehensive market development blueprint. And in the health industry worldwide, terahertz technology and its products will be of value and recognized by more people, and supported by reputable health institutions. Global Genesis Terahertz Therapy device and health awareness, knowledge, and protection against diseases. Store your precious health with its Global Genesis Terahertz Therapy device. Live wealthy with health. Let us create the true wonders of terahertz in life together. Achieve the prime of your life.